Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Joseph and this is Keshwa. Today guys, you can see on how you can trade on Mtfe live, and well, first because we are learning this time as the trading time is nearing. And as you can see here guys, I'm in Tanzania, so my trading time is this, and as you can see on top here, this is my time. So I'm going to go very fast on the side of how you can calculate your target profit and whatever. This is the formula. So what you have to do, you just only come here today, as today's trade is on ECI and we trading direction is buy, and here you can calculate. I'll explain this at the end guys. Let's learn for the trade. So I'm gonna go direct to my Mtfe account. I'm gonna use the demo account actually guys. Yes, I'm going to use the demo account because I always usually trade with the robot, so that I cannot interfere any kind of my timetables of during the day. So the time is up and we need to be very fast guys because we are late. The time is up, so I'm gonna click trade with demo account over here very fast. The time is up guys, we have to go for the time. Sorry, internet connection. So I'm gonna go with the demo account. It has wait a retro, it's loading. Okay guys, here we are on the demo account. So what we need to do is directly just going here on the trade section. So I'm gonna click on the trade section, just click that. I'm going very fast guys because we are running out of time. And I'm gonna click over here on indices, just click that. And after clicking on the press, I'm gonna look for ECI. Here it is guys, here it is ECI. So I'm gonna click it, and the direction is buy today, so I'm gonna click on the buying section. Actual on the lot size you shall see at the end. So my lot size, I'm going to keep one and I'll press the order to buy and I'll click confirm. So while the order is ongoing guys, I would like to tell you something. If you're new on this channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe and press on notification bell so you can be getting the information and this kind of valuable information, because we just provide only some variable information here, not scamming information. So I'm going to see how my trade is going on. I'm going to click here on the position down over here. So I'm going to click on the positions, it's like a briefcase down over there, and you're going to see here. So when I click on this arrow pointing down all over here, you'll actually see already I'm in profit. Okay guys, so this is not a place that you should consider that you're already in profit, so you just take it, okay, I'm in profit, and you left it. No, you have to go to this place. You have to place on this buy there. If it's sell, you just press it. I'm going to press it. After I've pressed it, it's going to open for me. Now here is where you can see what is going on behind, the little thing that is going on behind guys. So you're going to see here, as you can see, it's negative $42.60. According to their account, is $10,000, and I took a lot size of 1. Okay, so we are going to wait for it and see. Yes, as you can see, it's now negative 24. It's just going on guys, just going on. We're gonna get some profit, just be patient. So you have just to wait for it. This is trading according to the signal. If you know how to read the graphs, you can just do it by your own and continue getting some profits. Just wait for it. So as you can see, it's now negative 16.20 guys. Just continue going down. When it just reaches the profit, just take the profit, and we're out of this trade. Okay, it's $13 until now. I'm just gonna wait for it to go down and down over and over again. I'm gonna click to go back and see at the first page. Okay, it's now, until now it's 30. Here it shows that 30 because there is service charge and whatever. That's why you can see all this in profit of that, but you have to wait also your amount to enter. This is the place of which you can always look. You see, it's now negative 10 point, that one. That's the place that you can see guys. If you wanna see the details more, you just click on the details and see the details. Here is where you can use the, if you are trading on your own, you can just put maybe the limits, take profit and take loss. People are trading mostly on Forex knows about this. So I'm gonna go back. You can see my internet connection is not so much good today. I'm gonna go back and see again. You see, so is the profit already at 4 point something. I think even here the loss, you see, the loss has just decreased. As you can see guys, we now have negative 6. So let's wait for it. I'm gonna go back again here to go and see. I think we're gonna come and make some profits this time. So let me see. This time it's 39. Okay, $39 the profit from there. So when you come here, it's 4.20. It's a negative. So we are nearing starting getting profit guys. This is how you trade. So So let me go back also and see. Let me go again and see. It's already 43. I think we already have some profits over there running this time, guys. Let me go and check. You see, it's already 4.80. So guys, I'm going to close out here. This is just on how to show you on how you can make money through this manual trading. And be careful. Here you have to close as fast as possible. You need to know the target in profit, and you need to know your lot size. So of which I'm going to show you after this trade here. So I'm going to close out the trade anyway. I'm going to confirm it's 4.80, but I hope it might be more than that. So I'm going to go on the profile. I'm going to click profile here, guys. This press over here, I'm going to click profile. So when we go and see, we had actual $10,000, but now it has just increased from $10,000 to 4.80. That's the increment of which I just added. So that was the profit for today, guys, and as you can see, we did it very well. So let's go back and see how you can calculate these kind of things. Okay, the direction of the day, guys, was today's direction was to buy this kind of index, which is ECI, and we are buying it. Now you want to know maybe the lot size. What lot size should I enter with it on the trade when you're trading manual? Okay, so it depends on your investment amount that you have. So here the formula actual, you just have to get the lot size. As you can see here, you need to take your assets, you divide by these numbers here on the bracket, which is 780 plus 42. So as you see at the example, you have $100 on your account which you want to trade today. What you do is that you come and take that $100, as you can see here, you divide by this number over here, which is 780 plus 42. I think we get 822 if I'm not mistaken. So when you see here, the lot size in total will be this one over here. Yes, this will be our lot size to enter with it on the trade. Now, the target profit, you want to know that I'm entering the trade, but I should have a target of a certain profit, and not that when you just go on the trade you want to have a target profit. It is not that you must reach that profit, guys. Sometimes you should be clever on these trades, so you just wait. When you see the profit, this is the actual near control your emotions. That's why we normally request you to use a robot, because robot assists mostly on controlling emotions. So targeting profit, as you can see, from how to calculate the target profit, you just take the transactions fund, you multiply by 2% or 5%, because we normally target that you can get 2% or 5% of your investment. So you take, for example, it's just some easy mathematics calculations. You don't have to be a professional in mathematics, you don't have to do all those kinds of stuff, math, just some simple basics steps. So for instance, you have $100, just take it times 2%, and or times 5%, we will know your amount. So for instance, for the person who has $100, we know that we get $2 for today, or up to $5. So you go on the market and by knowing you are targeting profit, 2 of them. Once you find out that the trade is good, that you've reached until $5, according to this kind of investment here, guys, just take it out and cross the trade, because you never know, the graphs can turn upside down and you face negatives and you face losses. So after seeing that, I have some explanations of which I've just written here, that please maintain a strong network. You need to have a strong network, guys, when you are doing this manual trade, because if you have a weak network, as you can see, I had a weak network here, although I've pursued and I've achieved something, but you need to have a strong network so to do it. Having a weak network may lead you into losses, guys. Yes, sometimes may lead you into losses. That's why I use the demo account. And you are told that to join the trade on time, and don't join the trade if you are late even a minute, guys. What do they mean? That you might be late. You ensure that maybe it was within 5 minutes and you are late maybe for 3 minutes, and say, let me just enter the trade and I can achieve something. No guys, should not come with such kind of temptations. So what you need to do is that just focus on the time. These type of signals are given to all people who are on Mtfe. If you join through my link, if you join through my promotion code, you will get these signals free. If you want trade manual, I'll just send these signals to you free, and I send this signal to all the people who are trading manual on Mtfe. Guys, you want to join Mtfe, just click, just go to your store, your downloading store, whether it's App Store or the Play Store. Just go and download and type Mtfe. If you don't know how to register and do what, I will leave the link in the description down below, and you go and click that link and it will show you on how to register on the Mtfe, guys. And if you have any problem, I also leave my WhatsApp number on the description, of which you can just chat with me, and I'll be very, very grateful to help you on each and everything, guys. So this was what it was for today, guys, as you can see. So maybe somebody knows how to do this all kind of calculations and don't know how to just go and feed them over there on the account. So I know we are out of the trade already, but I'm just going to do it, whether we face losses over there, but I'm just going to do it for the sake of starting, okay? And this a demo account, so I will lose nothing. So as you can see from this chart here, we have 0.121 rods. So we are going to choose those. I'm gonna go to the Mtfe. Just check this. I'm going to the Mtfe app. This is the demo account of which I'm using. Don't do this on your real account, guys, unless you have knowledge on what you're doing. If you don't have knowledge on what you're doing, just close your robot, guys. You can just use the robot, or if you want to trade manual via the signals, just follow the steps of which I'm telling you, and you'll be getting profits very fast. So I'm in the demo account, and I'm gonna go and click on the I'm direct on the trade. You need to see this icon of here. It should be blue highlighted so that you can know that you're going to choose. So I'm gonna click index, and I'm going to choose ECI. The direction was to buy for today. As you can see, this is ECI, and the direction was to buy. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to click buy, and after click buy, here it comes. We saw it was the lot size. So this box over here is where we put the lot size, okay? So you've calculated your lot size maybe for $100, and you found that it was, as I remember, it was 0.121. That was your lot size, guys, you see. So according to the amount of which I have here on my demo account, I have $10,000, so it will just only take this of my amount to the trade, okay? So that's what you do. After that, now what you need to do, you just come and place order over here, and you pop up this kind of dialog box, and actually needs you to confirm. So if I just press confirm over here, the trade will be taken and start the trade right away. So I'm gonna click it because it's a demo account. Whether I lose money or not, I don't care. So I'm gonna click confirm. After click confirm, already the order is opened, and once you see your order, you have to click on the position down over here. Let me show you. Position, press down over here. So the position, press is down over here. So I'm gonna click it just like that. After I've clicked it, you have to place this arrow over here, guys, okay? This arrow over here, and you can see already you have negatives over here just before even opening the account. So I'm gonna press that arrow, and you can see it's already -87, just like that, guys. So you need to see a little amount behind there. How much are you getting this until this time? You just need to click on here, this section over here, and it will take you to the little numbers. These are just the numbers, guys. You can find here already the profit start counting, but in your real account the profit doesn't start to count. Why is that so? Because we have some charges, some fees charges here. So you can find it's already starting the profit here, but the charges are counting first before you start getting your profit. So I'm gonna click there, and after clicking, we are gonna go here. So you can see it's negative. It's negative 5 point that one. So that's there. So you're gonna just wait on this price over here. When you have a strong internet connection, see when it starts turning, the current becomes blue, I guess. Yes, it's blue. It's when you can close out the trade. So I'm gonna just close. I don't care because it's just a demo account. After press the close, and this dialog box will come, and you click confirm. You've already closed the trade, and if it was a profit, you would have the profit. But you can come and find that the amount has just decreased because we ended up with some loss. As you can see, so the amount just decreased. We ended up with some loss, just like that, guys. But this is a demo account. So that was it for today, guys, and I was very fast. So if you didn't understand any press, please don't forget to leave the comment, to leave your question or your doubt on the comment section down below. I'm going to leave all the variable links in the description about different kind of my other videos. If you want also to make money via Binance, I'll leave the link in the description down below. If you want to make more money on Mtfe, I'll also leave the link to my Mtfe playlist, of which you learn each and everything about Mtfe, guys. So see you until then, guys, on the another one. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe. If you find this video is more valuable, please give it a thumbs up and share to your friends so that you can see all this valuable information. See you until then, guys. Peace.